So from an installation point of view, the MasterTrack BT system works on clamping roller technology. So there's less processing, which also is a fantastic cost-saving element, which gears this system up to more profitability. So the cover profile goes on very, very simply, and you can easily remove the cover profile as well. So now you can see from the inside exactly how the system works. The wheels are actually suspended from the tracks that can either be ceiling or wall mounted. With the clamps being suspended, it gives you easy access to make any adjustments, whether you need to raise the glass door a little bit or bring the glass door down ever so slightly. It gives you full visual guidance when installing. So this is the toothed belt. You can see how that works now. So you have the tooth belt running from one wheel on one side of your middle door to the other side of the middle door. That's then clamped to the back track and clamped to the front door as well. So the MasterTrack BT system is installed just using your basic set of tools, which is great for installing. You don't have to go out and purchase anything specialist. Just use what you've got in your tool bag. We all know that the home improvement market is a big element of our industry right now. So for the majority, I would say, of window and door installers, there shouldn't be any reason why they can't take their skills and trade them over to installing interior sliding door systems.